Don't go chasing waterfalls.
Just
Listen
stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that it's gonna, but I think you're moving too fast.
Okay.
I know that one.
Yeah,
I know that one. Come on now.
hey, that's what I'm talking about. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the that you're used to. Which choice would it be? A, B, C, or D?
Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to
You heard it before?
the rivers and ponds, maybe? I haven't heard this.
Oh, rivers and ponds?
Is it not right?
Nah.
What is
it? It's B.
Oh, it's B, rivers and lakes?
Yeah.
You're used to.
Yeah.
Dang, okay.
Finish this lyric. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the that they're used to. What choice would that be? Have you heard it before?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Rivers and lakes.
B?
Yeah.
Yes. That's correct. We got 2 people. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Have a good one.
You too.
Finish this lyric. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the that you're used to. Would it be A, B, C, or D?
A.
Nah, it's D, rivers and lakes.
Gotcha.
You heard them song before?
I have.
But not like
not
you
like
went not
on repeat.
religiously. Not like you listen
Yeah.
to SZA or something like that.
Yeah.
All right, got you. Finish this lyric. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the that you're used to. What choice would it be? A, B, C, or D?
I'm gonna say,
Have you heard this song before?
yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna say A.
Rivers and streams. Final answer? Nah. Finish the lyric. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the that you're used to. Would it be A, B, C, or D?
A.
Everybody choosing A. Have you heard it before? Have you heard it before? It's actually rivers and lakes. Everybody chose A.
Man.
You don't probably know it for word, but you've heard it before.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Thank you.